Okay, after the Iguazu Fall, you can watch the video if you didn't watch it. Now I'm going by feet to see the Parque das Aves. It's a park for birds. Since I still have time, I thought it will be interesting to go there. So it's very close, as you can see, and the entrance is from there, I think. Oh, there is an airplane there, Força Aérea Brasileira. They look beautiful, the one in the red there, the pink. Oh, it's empty, the water here. I was expecting birds swimming. Strange, maybe because of the cold weather. Oh, it's a small waterfall. Only installation, but no birds actually. We have fish. He asked people walking to play with him. Yeah, I decided to take a small rest here. I bought agua de coco. It's first time I see the coconut like that. Usually it's green. This one looks really like the coconut that I used to see. Maybe we can eat what is inside also. It has the stamp of the park also. So refreshing. Oh, so good, the taste of this one. It's better than the other that are just green. And I took this one, don't know, bocadillo, it's named, something like that with chicken. Let's try. So good. You can see the chicken inside. Oh, it's really a waste to just drink the water and don't eat the inside. Really want to eat the inside, but it's only for drink. Okay, I'm full. Let's continue the tour. What we have here. The wing, I will fly. They are celebrating the 30th annual of this park. I'm older than this park. We have the entrance of the trail. We go through this road to see birds.
Fala português?
No.
English?
English.
Okay. Now you will be together with the bird and little animals because they are risky birds. So, for safety, not to touch them, not to feed them, no flash, please, okay? A normal photo, no flash.
Okay.
This door no up together. Close this and open that one hour.
Okay.
Like you,
It's
one way, right?
we wait until he closes the door there that the bird doesn't fly. And we enter. Yeah, let's enter inside. Thanks. Obrigado. Told us to stay quiet. Don't disturb the birds here. A lot of variety. It is scary, huh? To see them flying like that. I hope they won't attack me today. Told me to don't use the flash. Oh, small bird. So cool. Oh, he flied. He scared me. He's scaring. They are so big. Scaring this tour. Okay, let's exit. Now let's continue. 120 species of bird. Street net with extension. Here, but I don't see it. No, we have a green thing, blue one. Small. Blue like my jacket. So big. Yeah, you feel like you are in a jungle. Sound of water. Sound of birds. Ah, the map here. Where are we now? Still in the beginning. Ah, we are here. Oh, we are here. Still in the beginning. Want to see the toucan. It's very famous in Brazil. They always have a sass like that. You wait until the other door closes, and now you can open the second. And we see birds there, white and red. Don't know what the name of this bird. So big. They are taking a bath. Very strange. The bird there. Yeah, the bird there look like he want to eat the fish. The caca of the birds here. I hope they will not throw it on my face, my head. They said that, oh, there is a snake. Very hard to find snakes. Ah, maybe it's there in the red. Wait, see what we have. Oh, it's an iguana, green. The caiman is there, it looks like a statue, it actually is a real one. It's there. Are they real or just sculpture? Toucans help forest grow. I think it's here, the toucan. Welcome to the world of toucan, most famous bird Brazil. See, now the door is closed and you have to wait until it becomes green to open the next door. Yeah, we are inside. Where are the toucan? Ah, they are there, very beautiful. Yeah, I need to zoom. Yeah, they are there. They fly fast. Yeah, very beautiful. I really like this big. The guy that entered with the food, so the security guard told him to keep the food outside and enter because it attracts the toucan. I have two varieties of toucan, this one toucan and this one red-breasted toucan. What is he? He's seeing our camera. So cute how he's eating. I really like. Oh, it's the best spot to film the toucan. He's eating the leaves. He flied just in front of us. It's just closed. He's eating the leaf. Oh, very beautiful. What you eating? Another one there is the red breasted, I think. The pelican are so cute. They are aggressive actually. You see, they are fighting. Oh, it's like the parrot. Yeah, it's only landscape, but it's really beautiful, the landscape. And we have those parrots. Oh, they look like parrots. Oh, so cute, this couple. They are kissing each other. Oh, so cute, really like. Very beautiful the landscape in this garden. Lot of trees, water falling, lot of things to see, to hear. There is fountain of water but no toilet. So you drink, and after you don't know where to go to the toilet. We are here, we still have all these birds to see. Artificial jungle, very beautiful actually. It's like a parrot. Green. There they are, yellow one, very cute. The famous tree from the Piranha state, famous fruit from this state. It's how they extract it. Very delicious actually. We try it in Curitiba. You feel like you are in a jungle in this place. Very beautiful. There is even birds in the toilet. Let's go this side, see what we have. Color and the sound of the Atlantic rainforest. Okay, yeah, let's jump inside. See how they are here. Wow, crazy. How beautiful they are. Those macaws. I like so much. Take picture with them. There is the green one. We saw so many from them. There we have lot of variety of parrot. Let me zoom. They are cute. We have a blue one like my jacket. Very cute. Hope you will not do caca on me. So cute. This blue one I really like. See how it's going down. So cool. Don't know how they feel. They are surrounded by humans from all sides. Don't know what he will do for them. Those birds surrounded by humans taking picture of them like me. They are eating, or I don't know what they are doing. So beautiful the parrots here. They like. So hungry. He has the food here. You can see they put food for him, but no. He prefers eating the tree. Our sign of good luck for the environment. Sometimes people say that all are for bad luck, but here they said that they are sign of good luck for the environment. I don't know the reason. They should explicit more. So it's an old. Must be torture for him to be like that in the daylight. In many countries, owls are a symbol of prosperity and wisdom, and in others they are mistakenly related to bad omens and death. That's what we usually know. In France, they see them like that. In fantasy movie, owls are often pictured as magical beings with mystical powers. In real life, they are essential for the environment and deserve our respect. So most oil hunts at night, they keep population of rodents, insects, archid, amphibians and reptiles in balance when they feed. During the day, night owls sleep in trees where they are protected from predators. With the period of rest, they are able to stay up all night. So the owl there is just sleeping and resting. This story, Anna and Dennis lived in Africa with their children. Family adopted the grey parrot that inspired the creation of Parque das Aves. The founders bought the property, first Iguaçu started building the park. Bought the property, first Iguaçu started to building the park. Dennis died 2 years after the inauguration of Parque das Aves. Founder of this park. He died just 2 years after, so sad. At least he saw the inauguration. Anna continued her husband's dream and still maintaining the park. His wife, there is still so much to do. Yeah, a lot of things still to do. Oh, it's for her child, I think, her daughter. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of birds or animals, but I really like this park. Seeing them, they are very beautiful, especially the toucan, the parrots, really like it. What do we have in the shop? The famous toucan, all colors, all sides. Samata Atlantica. Don't know what it means. I like this one, so cool. But how much it costs? 130. Really cool, this one. Really like it. Feathers. Yeah, guys, we arrived at the end of our tour in this park, the Aves, Park of Birds here in Foz do Iguaçu. It was amazing. Even if you don't like birds, you will enjoy this moment here alone, like me, or with family. I suggested to go with family, especially for kids. It's really worth it. I wasn't planning to come here. I wanted only to see the waterfall, but it's just next to it. You walk 5 minutes and you are in this park from the Foz do Iguaçu Brazilian side. I really liked this park. I hope that we still preserve the nature and the species. Good job for all people who are doing that, and I hope we will continue for the next generation. I hope to see you in another vlog video here from Brazil or from Paris. You choose which one you wanna watch in our channel, and then see you in the next vlog.